In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TradingView on a PC, effortlessly setting you up for a more streamlined trading experience. Let's dive in and get everything set up in no time. First, we'll start by navigating to the official desktop app page. Open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever you use regularly. Type in tradingview.com desktop and hit enter. This will take you directly to the TradingView desktop download page, which is the official source you want to use to ensure you're getting the correct and most secure version of the application. Once you're on the site, locate the download button for Windows. It's usually quite prominent and easy to find. Go ahead and click on it to begin downloading the installer. The file you'll be downloading is specifically for Windows users, ensuring compatibility and a smooth installation process. After the download is complete, you'll need to find this installer file on your computer. Most browsers save downloads to the Downloads folder by default, so open your File Explorer and head to that folder. You'll be looking for a file named something like tradingview.msx. It's the package file that contains everything needed to install the application. With the file located, you're ready to run the installer. Double-click on the tradingview.msx file to launch the installation process. You'll see a window pop up, guiding you through the necessary steps with on-screen prompts. These prompts are there to help you correctly install the software on your system. As the installer runs, it may ask you to confirm a few things, such as agreeing to the terms and conditions or confirming your installation preferences. Click Install when prompted and simply follow the instructions provided. This is designed to be straightforward, so just continue through each step until the installation process is complete. Once finished, TradingView Desktop will often open automatically, giving you immediate access to its powerful trading features. In the event it doesn't launch by itself, you can easily start it manually. Just find the TradingView icon on your desktop or in the Start menu and double-click to open the app. And there you have it, a clear step-by-step guide to installing TradingView on your Windows PC. You're all set to begin using this robust platform for your trading needs. If you encounter any issues during the installation, make sure you're connected to the internet and try running the installer as an administrator. These tips should resolve most common problems. Enjoy your new TradingView experience, and happy trading.